Imagine walking up to a car that looks more like a moving sculpture than a machine. Long, low, and aggressively wide. The BMW M9 Concept Supercar for 2026 feels designed to stop people in their tracks before it even moves. This car represents BMW's ultimate vision of performance, blending classic M power with future-focused technology. From the front, the M9 looks sharp and purposeful. The nose sits extremely low, with large air intakes feeding the engine, brakes, and cooling systems. The sculpted hood flows smoothly into a wide body, giving the car a planted and muscular stance. Every line appears functional, guiding air around and through the body to improve stability at high speeds. Active aerodynamic elements help adjust downforce and drag depending on driving conditions, making the car both fast on straights and stable in corners. From the side, the long hood and pushed-back cabin create a classic supercar profile. Wide fenders house massive wheels and performance tires, hinting at serious grip. Carbon fiber panels help reduce weight while increasing rigidity. And the low ride height keeps the center of gravity close to the ground. At the rear, a large diffuser, slim LED taillights, and a clean, aggressive design complete the car's high-performance look, emphasizing speed even when the car is standing still. Inside, the M9 focuses completely on the driver. The cabin feels like a mix of luxury and race car. Premium leather, Alcantara, and exposed carbon fibers surround the cockpit. The seats are deeply bolstered to hold the driver firmly during hard cornering while remaining comfortable for longer drives. A digital curved display shows performance data, navigation, and driving modes, all angled toward the driver for quick access. Physical controls are kept where they matter most, reducing distractions at high speed under the hood. The BMW M9 Concept is expected to use a twin-turbo V12 engine supported by an electric motor. This hybrid setup delivers instant torque from low speeds, while maintaining the thrilling sound and power of a traditional V12. Power output is expected to be over 700 horsepower, sent to all four wheels through a high-performance automatic transmission. This combination allows for brutal acceleration, smooth power delivery, and strong traction in all conditions. Performance is where the M9 truly shines. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is expected to be around 3 seconds or less. The car is designed not just for straight-line speed, but for complete control. Advanced all-wheel drive, torque, vectoring, and adaptive suspension work together to keep the car stable and precise through corners. Multiple driving modes adjust steering, suspension, throttle response, and exhaust sound, allowing the M9 to switch from comfortable road car to track-focused. Machine instantly. The suspension system adapts to the road in real time, reading surface conditions and adjusting damping for maximum grip and comfort. Large carbon ceramic brakes provide strong, fade-free stopping power even during aggressive driving. The steering is tuned for sharp response, giving the driver confidence and feedback at high speeds. Technology plays a major role in the M9. Performance-focused driver assistance systems help maintain control without taking away the driving experience. Real-time data, lap timing, and performance analysis tools make the car ideal for track use. Despite its extreme performance, the M9 is expected to remain usable for everyday driving. With refined ride quality and modern safety systems, the unique appeal of the BMW M9 lies in its balance. It combines the emotion of a powerful V12 engine with the efficiency and precision of electric assistance. It offers supercar-level performance without abandoning comfort and luxury. As a limited production halo model, it represents the peak of BMW M engineering and design. In the end, the BMW M9 Concept Supercar is more than just fast. It is a statement. It shows what BMW can achieve when performance, innovation, and design come together. If this concept reaches production, the M9 could become one of the most iconic BMW models ever created. Built for drivers who want extreme performance, cutting-edge technology, and unforgettable presence in one machine.